Hi, welcome to one of our other videos, and today we're going to have a look at a rapid Marley folding door in oak effect. Yeah, and this was bought online from Master Plastics. Let me just check that, make sure that is where we bought it from. Yeah, master-plastics.co.uk. Right, so the reason we went for this door was trying to make this area under the cupboard a bit of a utility room, and rather than the door folding in and out, it would be in the way. So we bought this. It comes in bits, basically. You slide the bits together. You have to trim it to fit your floor. We've got tiles going in yet, so that's why it's off the floor. Slide all your bits in this first, and then have some neat little clips that just screw in and clip on, and has clips there that screw in and clip on. And then when you put this bit on, it goes the other way around. You put some screws in for the door to lock. Now, light oak, this is advertised as. I've got to say, if you look at, this is an oak door here, and you look at this, I'll move out of the way a minute, scan between the two. It is light oak, it is as described, and it's quite a good match. Even if you look at the flooring, it all goes with it. So in respect of it being a light oak door, 10 out of 10 for that. Easy to put together, very easy. Quality looks alright. So people saying, well, how much was it? Well, it was about 80 quid delivered. Glide's nice and easy. They give you some grease up here that you put up here, and it does spring out. It's a nice door. It's ideal for what we want. Now it arrived fairly quickly, 3 or 4 days, but when it arrived, this trim here, if you just look at here, this trim sort of should go when it's cut there to make it look a bit prettier. Yeah, to cut there. But it arrived with this big chunk missing. Okay, it's just one of those things. I don't know how it's happened, but it's happened. Now, I contacted Master Plastics, spoke to the sales department there, very pleasant chap. And I've got to say, customer service couldn't have been better. There's a replacement on the way. So I'm not bothered that it was damaged. What that does tell me and tells you as potential customers that if there is an issue with your product, they will put it right, and there isn't any quibble about it. They'll just send the part out to you. Yeah. So this is one of the situations: is there's a problem with the product. It's not their fault. It's been damaged in transit, but how are they going to put it right? And they're doing the right thing by putting it right. So that's fine. So I would say supplier, Master Plastics, 10 out of 10 for delivery, customer service, and the door is as advertised. It does what it says on the tin, so give it 10 and 10. The handle needs a good squish, I mean a real good squish to get it in, and there's a little bit of screws on here, but it's a sliding door and it solved our problem. Anyway, I hope that this helps somebody if they're looking for a bifold door and they might want to try the Rapid. This one was 88 centimeters by 203, and you can cut the bottoms, and when you cut the bottoms, if you need to, because it all comes in separate bits, just use a very fine tooth saw, literally, and it cuts through nice and easy, and just a Stanley blade to cut this rubber seal there, but at the bottom. Yeah, it's quite effective, and to be honest, it does cut out a fair bit of sound as well. Yeah, right. Anyway, thanks for watching the video again. I hope it helps you when deciding what quality of bifold door you need to buy, but also consider it's got a 10-year guarantee as well. It might be of some use. Thank you.